Hey everybody, Gears here, and this should be a relatively quick one. So as you can see, what I've done here is put some bracing bars in. Basically, I went through a couple different ideas of how I might have wanted to do this, and what I wound up doing was drilling a couple holes inside of these guys, and this can be picked up by the bars, but it's definitely not something I want to do because they can fall out relatively easy enough, and what I will be doing is attaching some kind of string or wire between the two posts to formalize the stability factor. So when the shell gets hit going here, hopefully these towers will stabilize the bottom and the top, especially since I've cut out that section there for the batteries. This was relatively simple enough. I got a few different pieces of sleeved brass and aluminum in this case. The aluminum is the central bar, and I wanted a little bit of flex because I don't want this to be totally rigid going on. And then brass end caps that sleeve directly onto the aluminum, and then this central brass piece which actually can sleeve over that bit of a brass right there. And they're stiff in the middle because I've bent the aluminum just a little so that it does have a little bit of give to it and some flex, which we'll see if it helps or not. Who knows? But if I do this again, like if these bars break, then I'll definitely have to go and get myself some new pieces of aluminum. And other than that, I think that's it for this one. Upcoming tasks. I had been going to go to a store to pick up the new pinion gear, but I just wound up ordering it online, so whenever I have that, I have that. The binding plug is in here. I just gotta slide the power in, plug that in, and find the transmitter, the shocks. So I've been looking around for my foam cutter, and I just haven't been able to find where I put it, so I wound up buying this one here. And the idea is, currently at least, that I'll be cutting a little marshmallow sized piece of foam like that, stick it on the end of my drill, start that rotating, and hold the cross wire into that so that it cuts down to the proper size. This particular foam is amazingly dense stuff, and it does not like blades, so we'll see how it does with heat. And that's just a little too ugly for my tastes. No focus, there we go. So yeah, I'll have a video on the foam itself, and that's it for this one with the stabilizer bars. So thanks for watching. See ya.